On your Instagram homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. On this interface, proceed to tap on your three ellipses on the top right corner, then continue to tap on settings and privacy. So you land on an interface like this. Proceed to tap on account center. So this will bring you to the Meta account center. On this interface, scroll down a bit until you locate personal details and tap on it. So you have a list of options under personal details with your contact info, date of birth, identity confirmation, and account ownership and control. Proceed to tap on account ownership and control. Then continue to tap on deactivation or deletion. So you have the list of accounts that is attributed to your Instagram. Make sure to select the one that you want to delete. In this case, I'm going to select this one. On this interface, you have the option to either deactivate your account or delete your account. Since we want to delete it, we can proceed to toggle delete account on. But make sure to be informed that deleting your account is permanent. And when you delete your Instagram account, your profile photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. And once you are satisfied with this, you can proceed to tap on continue. And congratulations, you have successfully deleted your Instagram account. As I said, it's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.